As you can see, the Coop is much peaceful than before. The primary reason for this change was my expulsion of 2 roosters. As explained in the previous episodes, the rooster-to-hen ratio was unbalanced, which caused severe problems in the Coop. I had to introduce a Deus ex machina into the kingdom of the birds. You may wonder what I mean by getting rid of roosters and what happened to them. Well, I invited a couple of my neighbors to the feast. My wife and I are still very uncomfortable eating the chickens from my coop. We keep trying to indoctrinate each other to the notion that our chickens are just a domesticated source of meat and eggs for us. That is appropriate for us to nourish ourselves with their gifts, so long as we give them a decent lives while they are under our care. What does domestication mean? It's the adaptation of plant or animal from the wild or natural state to one which conveniently permits close association with the humans. The Latin term means to make suitable for the home. The Chinese characters for domesticated animal mean home livestock. Humans domesticated chickens thousands of years ago to secure a steady supply of nutrient-rich food and other resources. Can a human be domesticated? We usually don't use the term domestication in application to human beings. Yet, new genetic evidence suggests that early humans domesticated themselves. Human self-domestication is a hypothesis that considers humanity to have been shaped by evolution into a species of essentially violent beasts. Yet, despite this ingrained capacity for brutality and discord, we have also somehow, though personal evolution perhaps, gained the means to inhibit the violence with such mechanisms as self-control, empathy, and ethical concepts. Recently, one of my students in my contemporary Western history class asked whether I feel that we can eventually escape the chronic occurrence of war. Another student asked, referring to the recent anti-Asian incidents in the United States, whether we'll ever genuinely overcome prejudice and racism. I answered the questions indirectly, noting them as evidence for the importance of historical study. The process of domesticating ourselves will not be complete until we have eliminated racism and violence from our societies. This requires awareness and understanding of those who are different from us, as well as ourselves, and the positive consequences of harmonious tolerance throughout history. Thanks for watching.